It was a really good panel discussion that I had and good experience.
So this is a very well organized, fantastic event and conferences. Whatever the knowledge they are processing from the different industry, the quick commerce players and the logistics side, warehouse side. So it's really fantastic.
I also participated in one of the panel discussion on D2C logistics, and it turned out to be a very valuable and insightful discussion with my fellow panelists.
They are trying to contribute to warehousing, e-commerce, logistics, entire fraternity of supply chain. I think this will be hugely helpful for the development of supply chain in India.